always you could when you never got on a very teacher. Like an advocate of the Anioma creation, the Anioma State creation, an advocate of Anioma State creation, and a fan of Ned Nwoko. Because people use the here's about the way get at the queer.
Yes.
But anyway, it's using the Ruba, the John. I didn't chance they use the lake because they had chance. And you boys say the only reason why evil will prevail is for good men to do nothing.
Yes.
The here high age here Kejima or Makanen is we have we were. Yeah, we have moved around over, but there's no happen with go. Directly or indirectly, you are also responsible for your particular. Nobody want to manage what happen to happen. They don't want to. So, body and weekend say, nearly the honey, they need the amazing we here. No, or manual support to Ned.
Yeah.
Sugar can know you want to go, they was going to support to Ned, who was actually not Jesus. Rebecca, you want to hear the cool. And many near on the base of the watch to Nigeria. There's your cool or home. Oh, girl, go get election education of the Amazon. So, by Jesus, why you Kuweta here, a back of election. Senator Ned Nwoko represented the town of Central District. This is what her, who call up her, also yet. But you are done your Monday that are not. And you don't want to simple, then that I run all over. The kids like a Pammy and Sand Alum and Colorado. You can't be born on our woman. Yeah, those machine be in. You don't fix a faultless machine.
Okay.
Neither do you seek to replace a faultless machine. Because so many motorcycles, for example, I don't know where they I think a bunch of mechanics are I think it's what they get call for. Whereas the people, I don't know. As far as we are concerned, there is no vacancy for Delta North Central District. The senator who is serving there, Senator Ned Nwoko, is doing absolutely well. And we are very satisfied and we are impressed by his presentation. So, don't worry, there is no way. We do not seek to change him, we do not seek to replace him. Now, one of the things that we go actually, something that has been very important to the minds of our people, our leaders, from time immemorial, the creation of Anioma State, an identity for our people, a separate state for our people, a development for our people. Olu said it to say he wants this creation of this state actualized. Oh, it's to bill for the creation of the state. And they have been pursuing it so far. Okay, we just said it. Oh no, I hear no. Okunoku Anioma creation. Okunoku creation in the state. Call the Senate here. House of Reps and Tory Okuru. Okuru represent you. Get represent the one. Get represent the also the way you didn't back out there Okunoku state. Oh, okay, governor. Oh, now has settled. Call governor. Oh, when Senator Tory Okuru. But when the House of Reps Okuru 10, none of them did he pick to say, please help me put up a bill for the creation of Anioma State, even the North Central, but in Southeast, I'm saying.
I'll go to South.
Please put up a bill. Let them put us in Southwest. Since you are no longer happy with being part of Southeast, he did nothing of such. He was a senator. While he was a senator, he had 3 House of Reps members under him, working together with him. He never employed their services. He didn't do himself. He became a governor. While he was the governor, he had 3 senators under him. He had 10 House of Reps members under him. He never begged any of them to say, please, my people need a state of their own. Let us put up a bill. At least that Anioma be created. Not even in the North Central Zone. Not to talk about South. Now, the man who has gone there and said, how do we achieve a state for our people? The man who has said that the most intelligent way to achieve this state is to say, since other geopolitical zones have 6 states, one has 7. It is only the Southeast that has 5. And there's a little bit of unrest in that axis. One justifiable reason for our people to get their own state is to say, since we are Igbo people, speaking affiliated people, create this state to make that of the Southeast cease. At least to show them that you have respect as a country or a nation for them. As Ned Nwoko done bad, we have done the right thing.
No,
of course he has not.
He has not done bad.
So I beg, it is important that we support him. It is necessary that we support Ned Nwoko. Ned Nwoko is a senator who is after the heart of the Anioma people, after the progress, the development of Anioma people. And Anioma State creation is of enormous benefit to us. Like my brother said, the job opportunities are quantum, imaginable. Both civil service jobs, both political jobs will be in abundance if it returns back to the city. So I'm begging that we must align ourselves with my brother and make sure that he is supported to come back as our senator to represent the people of that part and see to it that Anioma State is created. So that God bless us all, and God bless you, my brother, for taking out your time and making the effort to go around to present our people on this issue. We are, in short, we are indebted. Thank you, and God bless us all. You're welcome.
Sharp.